Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Devotion of Knowledge, and I welcome you again in our playlist of C++ STL. But this video is not going to about learning any new concept, but this video is basically a conclusion video because I know for past couple of weeks I have been not uploading any videos on STL, but it's because I think now we should end this playlist here because we have covered a pretty good content in detail, in depth. So I think it is sufficient for a person who is learning STL. And let us have a quick recap that what we have covered in this playlist. So initially we started that what is STL, what it is comprised of. So it is mainly comprised of mainly algorithms, comparators, functions, iterators, mainly four types. So we covered all that things in this video. Then we covered about vectors, which is a most basic part from which we are learning STL. So we covered vectors also. Then we covered pairs also, and very important part, we covered also nesting of this vectors and pairs. So we also got some pretty good idea that how to handle the nesting of pairs inside vector or vector inside pairs whenever required, and how to access all the elements and each and everything. Next thing we also covered was comparator function, and let me tell you, we also covered lambda function, how to make a comparator function using lambda function. We also did this thing as well in detail by understanding the code also line by line. And the next or the most important topic that I would say from my side we learned was about set. And not only set, we also covered three types of set. We also learned three types. One which is a normal set, we would say. Next one that we talked about was unordered set. And the third one I would say was about ordered set. Now, okay, first two types I would say normal and unordered set. Okay, good. We also solved dedicated problems for these two types. Okay, but the one thing that I would say on the YouTube in this video, that ordered set is something that I have covered in very detail. I have covered each and every minute detail that one should know about ordered set, and I should not say it, but as far as I have reviewed all the videos, or I have watched all the videos about ordered set on YouTube, I would say ordered set is the best on our channel because I have covered all the fundamental or pillars that one should know about ordered set, and also complete problem on ordered set, which was around 1400 to 1500 rated code forces problem. We have also solved it using ordered set, and I would say ordered set is best in this playlist, and I would also say it's good compared to another videos on YouTube. And at last we covered about maps, and also normal map, multi-map, and all that. And we also solved two problems regarding map because map requires some decent practice to understand how the key and value pair are stored and how to access the corresponding elements using iterators. So all these are the things that we have covered in our playlist C++ STL. As you can see on YouTube, we have created almost 18 videos on the complete playlist, in our complete playlist, starting from STL introductory video, what is STL, vectors, nesting of pairs, custom comparator function, and last we ended up with solving the two videos of map. And one another video will be added to the playlist will be this video. But let me tell you, see, this much of content is not enough. One has to also get some pretty good idea about some functions that STL provides. So let me quickly mark them out. First one is, I would say, lower bound. Next one, upper bound. And some another functions like next permutation, another dot dot dot. But I would say these two functions are very important. One should have a good idea about this function, but these things are like they do not require a dedicated video in understanding such things. So I will be just attaching all the documentation links that are required to understand these functions and some another things also like some basic functions regarding stack, queue. I will be attaching all these links in the description because they don't require a dedicated video. So just links in description. Please check it out. If you see nothing of this, but I would greatly require just please go through these two things because they are really important, lower bound and upper bound. So please go through these two things and okay, that's it from my side. But many of you might be saying that what next? So I have been planning something very unique for the upcoming content on this channel. I am also trying to cover some cybersecurity aspects, encryption and all that on the channel. Next thing that I'm planning is web development related things. Problem solving is our main USP that will be continuing on this channel, but these are some two new things that I'm planning and updates will be given to you guys. And even cybersecurity videos I have also started shooting couple of them, but that won't be a very big playlist because I will be only covering one or two topics of encryption because it is itself a vast topic and even I am not that much a master or veteran in that field, but some idea that I am knowing or I have learned in my college or some from another books etc. I will be trying to deliver to the channel via the medium of channel to you guys. So please be ready for some very diverse, unique and excellent content on this channel. But the main thing is that right now we are ending this our very lovely playlist STL that we have completed and it was my first playlist on YouTube as well. So now it's the right time for me to announce it that we are done with the playlist and we'll be meeting in the very next playlist or in the next videos very soon. So okay, that's it from my side. That's it of C++ STL from my side and we are done with this playlist. So we will be meeting in the next video or next playlist. We don't know, but you guys will be knowing in near future. Till then, have a good day. Keep learning, keep hardworking. Thank you very much.